Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Signs you're proudly dorky. Being dorky isn't about a bad thing. It usually means like having fun, being yourself, and not taking life too seriously. 1. You laugh at your own jokes. If nobody else laugh, you're still got one happy audience. 2. You wave at someone who wasn't waving at you. Confidence level, still smiling anyway. 3. You wear mismatched socks by accident. Fashion surprise unlock. 4. You dance while nobody asks because every room can be a dance floor. 5. You tell cheesy jokes. They're so corny, they become funny. 6. You trip over nothing. The floor wasn't even trying. 7. Using the wrong lyrics. The melody is close enough. 8. You get excited about little things. A free sticker. Best day ever. 9. You make funny sound effects. Every adventure needs a soundtrack. 10. You forgot where you put your phone while holding it. Mission accomplished eventually. 11. You wear your shirt inside out without noticing. A surprise fashion statement. 12. You make silly faces in the mirror. Practice makes sillier. 13. You accidentally send the wrong emoji. Oops, that wasn't the plan. 14. You love random fun facts. Learning can be entertaining. 15. You name your favorite plants or gadgets. Everything deserves a nickname. 16. You cheer for yourself after finishing a small task. Every win counts. 17. You start talking before realizing you're muted. A classic modern moment. 18. You get lost in your own daydreams. Your imagination deserves an award. 19. You smile at your own funny memories. Good memories never get old. 20. You don't mind looking a little silly. Being yourself is always in style. Being a little dorky means enjoying life, laughing at yourself, and spreading smiles. The world could always use a little more kindness, fun, and genuine personality. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.